and I'm going to post a question to you, Brunda.
Yes.
Facilitation as a discipline seems very ancient. Can you share some historical perspectives about facilitation at a global level and also in the Indian context?
Yes, Punima. So facilitation as a discipline or a practice is far older than the term itself. Okay, across the world, it has been rooted in the traditions of dialogue and collective inquiry. So we see this in ancient Greece's forum of where philosophical debate would happen, deliberations in Roman Senate, African councils, 5th century. We could see in Athenian assemblies, and also in indigenous communities where decisions were mostly taken based on the consensus of the group. And in the Indian context, when we see here, it is deeply rooted within the fabric of our life. In our sabhas, panchayats, and gurukuls, whether it is pre-independence or post-independence. It has been in the dialogue, reflection, and the collective wisdom, which has been the central of our learning and decision making. When we see at Bhagavad Gita, Krishna was never instructional. He was always enabling Arjuna, and Arjuna would find his own clarity. And in our history of India, we have also seen various leaders adapting spirit of facilitation. One of the great examples is Shivaji Maharaj, who has been a great visionary and followed the principle of inclusive leadership. And in this whole thing, I also see that the traditions, the context of leadership, as well as when it comes to reflection, dialogue, everywhere, in the roots, it has been seen all other places. And when it comes to facilitation as a mindset, facilitation is more of a mindset than a concept, because it rediscovers us to the human-centric approach, and it's a deeply human aspect which is seen existing within ourselves all over, and it has been being of our collective being all the ways. So that's what I want to tell. And in the facilitation, also we see the history saying about our saints, spiritual leaders, gurus, who have been creating impact and who have adapted facilitation and nurtured the dialogue, reflection, and collective wisdom, which is very important. And they have created this impact and growth in the Indian context. So it has been seen in the roots across the world, and specifically because our book is written in the terms of Indian context. So this is a small aspect which I would like to share. Thank you.